Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. This update mostly for the restless traders who trade despite any holidays and watching the market day and night. So today we will take a look at Great British Pound. As you can see, action is really mild. Changes are coming slowly. So in general, markets gravitating to the downside. I mean, euro currency, Great British Pound, and from that standpoint, we have no changes in our strategical view. We still think that market should continue to move lower. Our next destination point will be, first probably this will be 150, 140, 49.90 area, because market here slightly hasn't reached it. But next destination point will be on common problem next week is 1618 extension. It's around 140.84.50. We think that the dollar will continue to get this range. So if you take a look at the dollar index, I will show you what we expect in general. We have posted this chart in our weekly research, but just to remind you what we mean with this. So this is the futures of dollar index, and we have here the double ripple failure pattern. That's why our next destination point stands right here. It's approximately 103 area, maybe slightly higher. So as you can see, we're relatively significant distance to this target because this is the monthly chart. It means that dollar will become stronger on the next month. And this simultaneously will mean that the dollar-related currencies will become weaker, or at least will feel the pressure. And first of all, this stands upon the euro currency and also has relation to the Great British Pound. That's why we think that this pause mostly is temporal, and soon market should continue to move lower. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we have this big wedge pattern that now is forming on the Great British Pound, and you can see that the lower border of this wedge pattern stands precisely at 49.80, 49.70 area, and that is very close to this level. So that's why the very short-term destination point probably will be here. It's approximately 100 pips lower. On the hourly chart, we see this consolidation is forming. It's probably the short-term retracement that now is forming, and maybe this will be suitable for possible taking the short position if you still do not have the short position on Great British Pound. So market right now stable stands below the weekly pivot resistance one. That also confirms that here we have the bearish trend, since market even moved below the weekly pivot support and form some kind of the flag pattern. That's tight consolidation here. So usually flags is a continuation pattern. So here we see definitely signs of thrust. This is mostly the retracement features of this sideways action, and probably this flag should be broken to the downside. At least the nature of the flag pattern is the continuation. That's why we probably should be ready for downward continuation. Also take a look that this consolidation here coincides. Market has stopped upward action right at the confidence resistance on the hourly chart, 51.37, 51.50 area. It's also confidence resistance. So that's been said. On the strategical view, we expect the same. So market should continue to move lower. And on the tactical point of view, you could watch for some sort of this kind of the consolidation flags or some minor retracement, and think about the taking the short position. Because in the short-term perspective, yes, we have these targets, but in the long-term perspective, we expect drop as far as to 145 area at least. or even maybe lower after that. So that's why this could become really the big journey of the trading on the Great British Pound.